Well, it's 5 to 9 on a Saturday morning, and today we're having a little chilled out Honda meet. So we'll start as we mean to go on. K20 swap turbo Mitsubishi Colt running a bar of boost at 460 brake horsepower. Don't know the power on this one, obviously the CF EE9, but it's a B20 bottom end with a B16 head. Obviously you know the K20 supercharged EG, which is our Richards. Come and look at this beautiful EP3. Now I'm convinced I've not seen a nicer one than this, but I absolutely love it. I've seen this car at Drivers HQ, so I'll have a quick browse. Look at that. Let's run some Dynodaze footage. Yeah, so as I said, I've seen this one at Drivers HQ. It's got some very, very nice bits on it. Now look at that. That's a proper setup. We've got a bit of carbon on the bonnet and the pièce de résistance. Check this roof out. Oh, yummy, yummy. It is an absolute stunning EP3. I know that my phone's not going to really pick up how good it is, but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I think, like I say, it's one of my favourite EP3s that I've ever seen. Very, very nice. In the corner, we've got a collection of expression culture vehicles. Got a Jazz, obviously you all know Gareths. CRZ, there she is. And Lady Gareth. This is an interesting one, isn't it? It's got a different front bumper. Someone was explaining to me what kit this is, but if you know, in the comments below, let me know what kit this is on the front of the CRZ. I'm sure Gareth will jump in there and tell me exactly what it is. But yeah, it's very, very lovely, isn't it? And don't they look great in white? I just think there's something about a Japanese car in white. But yeah, so that's it looks like the naughty corner, but it's not, because it's Gareth's birthday, so we've got him a cake and a card, bless him. It's a Mario cake. I hope I get a bit. Well, as you can see, an FN2 in various stages of repair and modification. I don't think I've quite seen one that really is a daily. It really is. I'm going to do that when I want to do it and not before, and that's why it's so cool. You know it's love. You know it's love when somebody just is like, I'm going to just drive this like this today because I want to go to a meet. Now, you might know this EP3 from YouTube. Young lady's got a YouTube channel. Nice car. It's coming along nicely, and some of the videos are really good. So go check them out. I'll drop a link to that below. Well, you all know this car. And it is looking stunning today in the sunshine. What a colour. It's been K-swapped and he's enjoying it. Beautiful car. I think everybody would be happy with that. Look how clean it looks. Fantastic, Jesse. Well done, mate. Looking good, mate. Looking good. He's been so excited about this on his YouTube channel. I can see why now, because it really is just absolutely awesome. Let's go look at some more. Well, they're still coming, and there's another championship white FN2 turning up. Here's one here, looking lovely, looking very clean and very fresh. To be fair, mine's been repainted, and this one looks like it's also been repainted, but it's looking absolutely lovely. Here's Alan, he's sat, he can't be in the video. Here's one of the Dynodaze faithful cars. Bronze, it's got to be the best colour, hasn't it? It's got to be. So another beautiful white FN2. This one's been dropped off for an immense amount of work this week at Dynodaze. So this is Monday's first job, and that's probably going to take us into Tuesday evening. So quite a lot to do, but there will be a video, so check that out. I'm just going to walk away from my old brown Colt. 43 years old that is. It's as old as me. We've got a Nissan Pal. What do you reckon to that? Oh, Aaron's car. This is beautiful car on a beautiful day. But this is a K-swap, and it's one of my favourites. It just looks so good on those wheels. Rotor slipstreams, I think, perhaps. Beautiful car. You all know Keith's red EP3. It's actually dirty, so I'm going to have Keith about that later. But yeah, it's dirty.
love NOS, don't they? You know what I mean? Absolutely love it. And then when they're doing it on the old American big V8s and stuff, they use a wet system, what they call a wet system, don't they? Where obviously it adds fuel and it adds nitrous, so it sort of adds both.
Proud of this, aren't you, Keith?
Everyone that comes in, this young man's just said the same.
Yeah.
Blue seats!
Yeah, they are. Blue Recaros.
It's cool, isn't it?
So cool, mate. So cool.
Everyone's got a lot of comments about it. We talked to it this morning.
Yeah. Yeah. It's why I wanted the guy to pick it up today and not tomorrow. So that people could see it. Because what a stunning advert it is for the whole business, man.
Yeah.
Because it's had full paint work, it's had Skunk 2 Ultra Series inlet manifold, 70mm throttle body and a map on a K Pro. It's had the works. It's going to be like Christmas Day when he collects it later on. Right, back to the dyno, let's make some noise. Okay, so first up on the dyno, bronze FN2, had a lot of work done here at Dynodaze. You've seen it in loads of videos as we've been modifying it. It's got some harnesses in it and harness bar and JC Club Sport gear in the back. Don't know whether you can see that. But yeah, let's see if it makes some noise, see if it makes some power. So next up is this white FN2. Sean, big follower of the YouTube channel, so thank you, Sean, for attending today. Beautiful car, mate. Let's see what power she makes after our Jeno has strapped her down. Come on, Jeno. Another EP, very nice one in silver. Oh look, he's picked up some parts from us today, so this will be sounding even better. Let's go for a Teguar 70mm exhaust system, I'm happy to say. So I'm sure we'll see this one again at some point, but it is beautiful. Oh, there's so many nice things to see here today. Obviously it's a Honda day, so we've made him park in the road. What do you guys think to that? You can barely see it. I know that. I know it's camouflage, guys. I know you can only see some grey wheels. But yeah, we made him park in the street. The street of shame. What a stunner. Born to race. An FN2 in the wild. We're running out of room. It's a nice one. Very nice one. Okay, so Jeno's excited because this is the next one up on the dyno. We're looking forward to this. There's mine. Oh, look. She actually looks fairly clean. Yeah, so let's see what noise this makes. They are getting worse. One of our personal favourites.
It's just filming. It'll be weird in a sec.
DAZR's car. We did these, so we did these wings. We did this bonnet. Oh yeah, that's looking good, ain't it? It is nice. There he is, there's the man himself. How are you, Dad?
How you do, Dan? You alright?
Yeah. Looking nice, mate.
It looks wonderful. Loads of comments for Uncle Keith's paintwork. Absolutely awesome.
He does a good job, bless him.
Just spent some time up on the east coast, actually, near Newark. I think Callum's here from Newark. Yeah, got a lot of looks in car parks and stuff like that. And, so shout out to Dynodaze Ltd.
Good stuff.
Not far to come down, is it?
That's the desired effect. They look beautiful though, don't they, Jeno?
Yeah, they're very nice.
Yeah, what a car.
From what they were, they look
We'll drop a link to DAZR's channel so you can follow this car and his progress. Very entertaining, is Daz.
Guys, thank you. Appreciate it.
Jeno, it's a Honda day, and you seem to be really excited about this. Explain yourself.
What can I say? It's rag.
That's it. That's all it takes.
Yeah. And it's got Wolfsburg edition bits.
I can't, man. We're gonna have to train you up properly, aren't we? We're just not doing a good enough job.
Yeah, but you got to admit it's
But
nice.
come on, man. Look at all this.
You can't say it's not nice.
Look at all this stuff that you had to choose from. You could have chose any of this, and you've gone for your favourite car being this Golf.
It's not my favourite. My favourite's the EG.
Oh, is it?
But
Okay.
This is probably my second.
But this has made you happy though, hasn't it? Well, there we go. So we're going to stick a Golf on the dyno and see how far it lasts. Lasts? Maybe not lasts, but yeah, excellent. Well, what do you predict, Jeno?
I don't know.
You don't know what engine's in it, do you? No.
Could be.
Anything, mate. All right, well, let's find out. Yeah, that's right. It's a Honda meet, so there's got to be a Golf turned up. And there she is, and she is particularly stunning. Jeno's still got a bar on. You're going to stop making sex noises about this car.
No, it's 180.
Listen, you know your appraisal at the end of the month.
180.
Okay, it's a 180.
Yeah.
180s were making less power than NA Hondas 10 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah. 1.8 turbocharged making 150 horsepower.
We'll train you, Jeno, don't worry. And for those of you at home...
Hondas were making 160 in 1991.
Yeah.
1.6 NA.
You wait till your appraisal.
Shut up now.
Yeah, shut up. Jeno's asking where his dad is because he's found an EP3 for sale. There's the telephone number there if you want to buy it. It's looking all right. It's not done too many miles. Interesting choice of gold alloys. Certainly is a red EP3.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes.
Pretty fast.